Amwe ya aria megwikinyitie mucemanio uyu ni hamwe na munini wa munene wa aruti wira wa muingi Josephat Nanok, mwandiki mukaru ministry ya maundu ma Akenya aria mareje ya bururi, afitha nene kuma ruhongeni rwa TVET na honge ingi, muoroto munene waguo ari kwaririria njira cia kurumbuia ahuri biacara sectaini ya JUAKALI.
This is really the way to revolutionize our economy by really getting the informal sector working and dignifying their work.
Agitongoria mucemanio uyu, munini wa president RIGATHI GACHAGUA augite thirikari ni irathondeka mutaratara wa kunyitithania ahuri biacara a JUAKALI mawira-ini ma wabici na ho kumethera mieke ya kuonjorithia bururi-ini oro hamwe na nja wa bururi.
This program is a must in the sense that we are formalizing skills, because these are people skills. And so this program is really a revolution in our country's economic development.
Kuringana na Gachagua, uyu ni umwe wa micemanio iria ikuhotithia bururi guthondeka mutaratara wa uria ahuri biacara a JUAKALI mekuona mieke ya mawira keheri-ini na kumahotithia gwetha mbeca cia gukuria biacara ciao tandu kiumbe.
And really we want to develop that sector and create employment for our people and revolutionize our economy by getting them paying taxes and participating in the economy. We need to critically think on how to help in areas of financing, because the projects are there, the workforce is there, all that is remaining is that gap of financing. So I think this is something that we needed to discuss and agree on how to discuss with the developers from the word go.
Na ikinya ritugiritio ni murugamiriri munene wa kiama kia ahuri biacara sectaini ya JUAKALI Nyamae Wambua uria ugite mubango uyu ni guthondekera andu aingi mieke ya mawira. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Chege.